So guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can make around 60 cents for watching a video. So basically it is a pretty easy way and it's a total passive income because you can just play the video and then let it go. So the first thing that you need to have is your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you just can go to Google and just write down YouTube and then click on this button right here, and then actually creating a YouTube account is pretty easy. There are a bunch of videos about it, but if you want to make me one of them, just let me know in the comment section below. So after going to Google and create your YouTube channel, then all you need to do is to create a PayPal account, because after you watch the videos, the employer, the person that will actually pay you, need a way to send you the money. And I know that there are a bunch of ways, but actually individually I prefer to get my money through PayPal. And I think that it is one of the best platforms, and it is pretty easy to use, and creating an account is pretty easy, and I think that almost it is available in all countries. So all you need to do is just to come to paypal.com and then just to click on sign up, and then to give your credentials here, your name, email, password, etc., and then you need to log in, and that's it. So the next step is actually to go to the web page that I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes, but make sure to hit the like button, and if you're not, just subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video about creating a video about creating a passive income through watching my videos. You can actually find pretty good videos here, and here on the I button I'm going to leave a link that shows you how I was able to make around $1,000. You can find the video right here. So the website name is picoworkers.com. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because I'm going to show you some steps that you need to know, otherwise it won't be able to actually make the things work. So as you can see, it is a pretty simple web page, and you don't need to do a lot of things here. You just can go and read some information. As you can see, you can work as a freelancer or you can be a business owner. I mean that you can earn money here, or you can even find people to work for you if you have some kind of business. So if you have some questions, basic questions, you can find them here and actually read a lot more. But we're not interested in this right now. Small gigs, big results. So click on freelance and earn, and you will actually see that a lot of people from different countries are actually making money here, and the website is pretty legit. Here you can see $200, $570, $500, $100, etc. As you can see, they just earning some cents, but you can make a bunch of money. You can cash out here, and you can see that people are from different countries, so it doesn't matter where you are from. So the first step that you need to do is to click on sign up right here, and you just need to fill some basic informations like your real name, email address, password. You need to confirm your password to create some kind of nickname, and then select the country, and you will see that almost all countries are here, and it means that it is a worldwide website. Then you need to actually decide if you are a worker or employer. So we are actually workers here because we want to earn some passive income by watching videos. Just click on worker, and then agree to terms of service and privacy. If you want them to send you news, events, and offers via periodic email, just make sure to hit this button right here and then click on sign up, and then they will send you an email to your email, and you just need to click on this link and it will lead you to this web page here. As you can see, you can switch here and actually create to become employer, and you can find your employees here, but right now we're not interested in this. So as you can see, here are a bunch of different jobs, but we're not looking for different jobs like SEO searching. But if you have that kind of skills, you can actually try them out. You can see that they're paying different money here, different cents, different dollars. You can find different jobs right here, but we are not interested in all of them. At least this video is not about us. You can go to category and actually choose video marketing, and after choosing video marketing, you can just click on apply, and you will see that actually there are some jobs that you can do. YouTube search plus watch 1 minute of video. All you need to do is just to click on this one, and then it will lead you to that kind of web page where you have to actually fill the credentials, but you don't need to do it all the time. It will be not necessary to fill your credentials every single time. It will take you only a few minutes. You can create your profile here, give a security question, security answer, to choose your city, your date of birth, etc., and that's it. Here is what you need to do in order to get the job. So go to channel and click on the circled video. Just copy the text here and it will open this image right here. So what they're asking for is to go to this channel and find this video right here and to watch for at least 3 minutes or you will not be paid. And also they ask you to like the video. Actually, those are the requirements that you need to do in order to get paid. Screenshot showing watch 3 minutes plus like, how many growing dinosaurs in the first 3 minutes, why the dinosaurs are gathered. So then you need to go to YouTube, and then all you need to do is just to find the channel and watch till the 3rd minute. You can even go to speed up and so on. You will watch till 3 minutes, and then you need to give a like and then take screenshot of the screen, and then all you need to do is just come back, and from here all you need to do is just to upload your image, and then you can write here your comment. You need to answer those questions and then submit the proofs. And actually guys, it is a pretty easy way to earn money. Like, it's not like you're going to make a bunch of money. You're not going to become rich or millionaire from this, but it's a good side hustle, or you can get some cash that you can use for, for some of your bills, to pay your bills like Netflix, internet, phone bills, etc. I don't know, but I think that it's a good way. So as you can see, as I've told you, you can make lots of money here. He made $1,000. It's like a salary. He made $1,000. It's a pretty good salary, and you can see that there are people from all over the world. So if you're interested, guys, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and you will be the first one who will actually get notified, and you will be making the most money. That's it, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.